One question I get all the time is whether or not you should put your home address on your Google business listing. Now, this is a really common question, especially for service-based businesses or virtual businesses or others that run their business from home. So can these businesses put their home address on their Google listing, or is there another option? Let's dive into all of this and more. When you are setting up your Google My Business listing, now known as the Google Business Profile, you must provide an address, a physical address, so that Google can verify that you are a real person and a real business. Now, they often do this by sending you a postcard with a verification code to your address. Now, this goes for businesses with a location and without. And when you're setting up your location, you have an option to set up a service area if you don't have a physical location. And this means that the address that you provide to Google will be hidden. But note, if you do not have a service location and you only do business online, you're actually not qualified for a Google listing. But for service area businesses, Google shows the area that you serve instead of the exact location of your business. Service area businesses are designed for businesses that visit customers at their location instead of the other way around. Think of it like roofers or carpet cleaners, HVAC, and landscapers. But here's where it can get a little bit tricky. There are always rumors that businesses without a location should use their home address instead of hiding their address so that they can rank higher in Google. And this is just not true. In fact, if you show your address, it actually must be a commercial building or have signs showing that it's your place of business. This means that you cannot show your address on your Google My Business, even if it's your home address, even if you occasionally meet customers there. Residential addresses will get suspended and removed by Google. So if your business address is residential, you must hide it. Now, this is the same with PO boxes. You cannot use these as your physical address, and this also can get your business suspended. But if you really do run your business out of your home and you want it listed on your Google My Business profile, you have to have a separate entrance and signage clearly denoting your business name, and you should be prepared to submit proof for Google if they do suspend your listing for a residential address. So, does hiding your address or showing an address make your business rank better? Well, the truth is both businesses with an address showing and with an address hidden can rank in Google Maps. This doesn't mean that it doesn't matter what you choose though. Instead of asking which will rank better, you should ask what is better for your specific business and for your customer. The obvious question you need to ask yourself is, do you serve your customers at your business address? If you do, then you should display your address so that customers can find you. If you serve customers at their location, like their home, then you should set up a service area showing what areas you serve and hide your address. It gets a little trickier if you do both. For example, if you're a carpet cleaning company that visits customers at their home, but you also have a physical location where you clean rugs where customers can pick them up, or maybe you have a restaurant and you also deliver food to your customers. Now, instances like this, you should consider what your primary function is. For the carpet cleaner, it's probably cleaning at customers' homes, so you should probably set a service area. But for the restaurant, you probably want customers to be able to find your restaurant for walk-ins, so you probably should leave your address displayed. In the end, you shouldn't worry about rumors or what will rank you best when deciding whether or not to hide or show your address. Instead, consider what will serve your customers best. If they visit you at your location, show your address. If you go to them, hide your address and show the area that you serve. All options are perfectly valid. But if you run your business from home and you do not serve clients at their location, but you run more of a virtual business, then you are unfortunately not qualified for a Google business profile. And no matter what the situation, do not use your home address on your Google. Not only is this against Google policy, but it also is a safety risk for you and your family. If you want to know more about exactly how to set up your Google business profile, which is how you get listed on Google Maps, check out my video on setting up a Google business profile where I walk you through each of the steps. And if you'd like to get one-on-one guidance and tailored recommendations on how to make the best out of your profile, you can book an appointment with a small business advisor at Google. And remember, you don't need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. You don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart.